Hello everybody, it's time to get the swimming pool in shape. Glad you can make it for another video. Got a brand new pool motor I just ordered. Came in a couple days ago from Hayward Power Flow. It's a 1.5 horsepower for my pool. You can see my pool over there. It's not looking good. If you can see from here, the water's green. Pool pump went out a couple months ago. So pool season's upon us here in March coming up. So we're gonna see if we can put this new motor in. So see if we can get it done. All right, here's the back of the pool here. You can see where the old motor was sitting right there. Old pool pump was sitting. I took that off a few days ago. There it is right there. That one did pretty good for me. Lasted about 5 years probably. There is a video I have on my YouTube channel where I opened up the end of this one and turned the impeller, and I got several more years of use out of it by doing that. So here's the new one. We're going to hook this one up. All right, so we need this piece to go into the end of the new pump. Quiet dog. Going into the end of the new pump. We got this undone. Got a little more fresh plumber's tape. So we'll take this, wrap it around here, so we'll have a good seal on the other baskets. Filter basket connected to the other pump. Don't want any leaks. A lot of activity going around here today. Alright, that should be good. Use this piece from the old filter basket here so we can connect to the discharge hose. Actually, this is the intake hose here, right? This is coming in from the pool into the filter, into the pump, cleaning, going out. So we need to reuse this piece. That should be watertight with all that plumber's tape on there. It should be good. Hand tight, that's pretty tight. So we should be in good shape there. All right, making progress. Gonna hook these back up to here. Tighten this metal ring back on here, squeeze it tight. Alright, that's pretty good. Okay, so first problem here is this is not going to hook onto this. You can see the old one over here has these threads on the outside right here. So on the new one here, we got, obviously those threads are on the inside. So we're gonna have to get some kind of adapter to make this work. So that's our first obstacle to overcome. But we're gonna figure it out. All right, I went to my local pool store earlier, and they cut me this new pipe. This is the end of the pipe that we needed here. You see how it's got a male end on it here. So it's a new pipe. They cut it for me. Took a little break and we let it dry. So make sure the glue's all dry. So this should fit on here now. So we're gonna put this in first. Cut it a little bit longer. I'm just a little scared it was a little bit too long, but I think we'll be all right. All right. Okay, so that is in there, and this pulls up here like this. There we go. Now you can get a good look at it. You can see how that's in the new Hayward Power Flow LX pump. Let me see, let me turn it a little more. Get in there good and tight. Oh, I still had a little bit to go. All right, so now this is bending back a little bit, but yeah, no, it looked like it's just about perfect. I was scared it's gonna be a little longer than it needed to be. Let's see if we can get this on here. Pull it up a little bit to give it a little bit of slack. There we go. Okay. I think that's on there pretty good. All right. And I put the new top right here on top of the new basket. Just screw that on there, pop that back on. So everything is nice and fresh here, and connection is already there in place from the pump to go back into the pool. You can see we had the old saltwater system. You can still use that if I wanted, but I'm not going to use it. I told myself I wasn't going to use it because I had problems with the salt system on causing damage. But that's a whole nother topic. But anyway, all right. So what we got to do now is get this plugged in. Gonna leave this curled up a little bit in that little piece right there. All right. So looks like we're all ready to go here. This pump looks nice and new. It does not have the little on-off switch underneath here like the other one did. So that's one thing different, but hopefully everything will be good to go. So, all right. So we're gonna get this water circulating and start putting some chemicals in it, start bringing it back to life.